Hi, I'm Officer Allen. Can you tell me what happened?
Yeah, man. I was just riding down the hill when this couple drove up and tried to run me off the road. I had to dive off my bike just to keep from getting hit.
Did they say anything?
Yeah, they rolled down their window and shouted, "Get your black ass back to the hood."
They knocked my yarmulke off, and they said Hitler must have missed one.
She kicked my walker and then said, "Pick up the pace, Gimpy." And then I almost fell.
He said, "You're probably illegal." But I'm a citizen. I just don't get it.
They told me, go back to your country, Osama. That's not my name. This is my country.
And when I tried to ignore him, he said, "What are you, some kind of dyke?"
After they were finished, they said that's what you get, retard.
Do you remember anything else?
That's all I can remember.
Okay, that's all I need. I'm really sorry about what happened. I'm gonna keep you posted on what we find out.
Thanks, man.
Need some help with your bike?
Sure.